Hey guys, Dotaran here, back with another quick Diablo 4 video. Diablo 4 is coming out in a few days, so here's a quick video to make sure you're all prepped for the launch. Number 1, make sure you check your release times. Because of time zones, it'll be confusing to figure out what time the launch is going to be in different parts of the world, both for early access and for full release launch. Here are the times for early access and for full release. Number 2, when you're in the game, make sure you adjust your hotkeys and key bindings and game settings. I always forget to do this. In console this shouldn't matter too much, but for those of you on PC, Diablo 4 defaults your hotkeys to number 1 through to 5. This is actually pretty annoying, so I always change the hotkeys and key bindings. The other setting I always make sure is turned on is subtitles. I play games for the story, and so I like watching cutscenes and having subtitles on for anyone else who is a subtitle enjoyer. The other is to make sure that the advanced tooltip compare settings are turned on as well. This is so you can easily compare your gear when you're leveling up. Number 3, useful resources for gameplay. Here I've outlined a few resources that will be useful for min-maxing or if you want extra information. I've got 2 recommendations for each resource, so pick one, but all of these are fantastic resources, and of course, full disclaimer, if you want to discover the game organically or without spoilers, don't use these resources. First is a map. If you want to collect altars of Lilith or go about the map doing renown on the map and want to know all of the locations, we've got mapgenie.io and Pure Diablo. Both of these maps are fully interactive, and so you can go about the map choosing and selecting certain things you want to view on the map or not view on the map. You can also log in and register to track your progress on the map as well. Next we have build calculators. So first one we have is Lothric. Lothric is really cool in that it shows you all of your paragons at the top and allows you to see all your skills. If you zoom in, you can also see all the codex of power and pre-plan your build beforehand. The second is Diablo4builds.gg. This is the one I've actually been using to pre-plan all of my builds. Here I've got all my builds saved. So I've got like a leveling druid here. So you can set up your aspects, legendary aspects, equip your skills and your spirit boons for if you're a druid. You can set up your skill tree and see all of the different perks and skills that you can equip onto your character. You can see all of the paragon boards and how the stat distribution will work. Finally, if you just want a database of information, Pure Diablo has really good information regarding every single aspect of Diablo 4, as well as Max Roll. So for Max Roll, there's a lot of content, leveling guides, skill trees, explanations of different characteristics and stats. But again, all of these resources are really good, so check them out. Lastly, this is more of a smaller thing. Make sure you've taken care of all of your real world stuff so you're ready to play on the day of launch. Leave a comment down below if you're also a subtitle enjoyer as well. And as always, have an awesome day and bye for now.